tidy mind, staying home, saving lives. Okay, fine, I plagiarized that. But the reason I plagiarized is because in the very first quote, tidy room and tidy mind, there is a very deep meaning hidden in that quote. Why is it that when something is tidy, is clean, is presented in a way which appeals to us, that we have a better chance of working it and being more productive at the end of the day? It's not me saying it. There have been multiple research done on this very topic which says that if you are working in a station which is tidy, which is clean, which has the minimal capacity, you have a better chance of working there. You have a better chance of giving more output than you usually would. Let me show you two images right now. Look at this image and now look at this image. If you were given an option to work in any one of these workstations, where would you work? What would you prefer as your home workstation or office workstation? It doesn't matter. In which of these places would you find yourself to be more productive and overall have a happy output with everything you're doing in life? See, as a humans, we have this nature to always find comfort on places that are neat and that are appealing to us, appealing to our eyes. For me personally, my workstation is always near my computer, doing programming and everything. It's my life. Now let's come to the... Good morning, birds. It's just 4 a.m. Now, when it came to making my own desk, I came with a kind of an idea. I went to canva.com and I made kind of a print of what I wanted of the 2D view of my front angle of the desk and the aerial view of the desk. Imagine this is a table. I know it looks weird, but trust me. And in this table, I wanted a widescreen computer because sometimes in programming we have to do multiple programming at once. So plant, very important feature. Very important. My laptop stand, which I would connect to my widescreen computer. 2 speakers would be good, you know, just in case I wanted to listen to music while programming. Very, very efficient on times. Light, which I can turn off and on whenever I need it, so that I can look at my keyboard even in dark when I don't want a ton of light focusing from everywhere. And a sound monitor to connect from my speakers. Coming to the aerial view, I needed a Mac. Let's bring the monitor and the plant. Canva.com, I could not find the aerial view of the plant. And to addition, keyboard and a trackpad. Yes, a trackpad. I'm a weirdo, just like that as I said. Don't blame me, blame the MacBook Pro. I have been totally into computers since I got my MacBook Pro, and I worked on it so intensively that I simply could not hold a mouse anymore. I need a trackpad in order to work. Even 1%, forget 80%. That's a requirement. And yes, obviously, let's bring the laptop's aerial view and the speaker monitor aerial view. Just these two things, and I have a complete workstation for me to be able to work efficiently and productively. Now came the time when I have to choose a theme for my desktop. I obviously could not choose something which is bright, because for some reason I have this, I don't know if it's just me, but bright color for some reason are always too sparky. It's like attacking my eyes all the time, you know. I needed something which is decent. Now for some weird reason, every time you search for something dark on the internet, you always get depressing things. You always get things which are super dark. But the point is, dark is very stylish. Stylish. You got the idea. The black color, the dark color is something which is not very flashy, you know, which is, it won't attack you all the time. Something you can work on efficiently while closing on the light and just focusing on the screen, and it eases the overall perception of how one look at the machine. And so I came with this desk setup.